Alright guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to launch paid ads. So on the agenda today is what's paid advertising, so I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown. Then we're gonna see how you can set up your ad account, meaning your business manager on Facebook, your ad account in Pixel if you don't already have one. And then we're gonna go over how to set up your ads, meaning ad targeting, ad copywriting, and ad creatives. So what's paid advertising? Paid advertising is basically salesmanship in print. You basically pay a platform like Facebook to get the opportunity to make a sale. So you pay Facebook, they give you people and eyeballs onto your offer, and you get the opportunity to make sales. So let's go over the ad account setup. We're gonna go over how to create a Facebook business manager, how to create a Facebook ad account, and how to create a pixel to track sales. So to create your business manager on Facebook, you're just gonna go on business.facebook.com/overview. And then right here, you can get started and create your account. So you're just gonna click create your account, and then Facebook is gonna take you through a quick tutorial where you have to put in your data and stuff to create your Facebook business manager. So once it's done, you wanna go on to business.facebook.com/settings, and then you're gonna be taken to this kind of place right here. So what you wanna do is go onto accounts and then click add accounts. And then here you wanna click add account. So you wanna create a new ad account, and then just add a name to it. I'm just gonna name it Demo1, add your time zone and add your currency, click next, and select this account will be for my business, just click create. And now you're just gonna put yourself as the person who has full control over it, so you just click assign, and then add your payment info, and then you're done with that. So the last thing you wanna do is connect a pixel to it, so we're gonna go on data sources, and then on data sets, and then right here, we're just gonna click add and then name this pixel, so demo pixel. So basically a pixel is something that will track your sales, so you can see actually like what ad makes what kind of sales and see how much you pay per sale. So it's really good because it lets you know your numbers and you can optimize your ads with it. So we're gonna pick Metapixel and Conversion API, just click next, click on manually implement API, so install code manually. So you can just continue here. So what's important for us is just purchase and view content. Like these are the two important things for us. So we're just gonna click that and go on to continue. Then we're just gonna wait until that's done. So once it's done, you have your purchase and view content. So on the purchase, you're just gonna scroll down basically and then click phone number, first name, like all the stuff that you need to like kind of match. Email address right here, and then country, region, gender, date of birth is fine. Town and city, you can take that too, like this, and it's fine right now for this. And for view content, you're gonna go as well, do email address, surname, gender, country, date of birth, and town, city, phone number, and postcode. That's perfect. And now you're gonna click continue. So now you have those two things set up. And now you're gonna click on open implementation guide. So this implementation guide will basically give you the API to install into your ClickFunnels. You just click on get started and then generate your tokens. So you will take this kind of code here and then go back to your ClickFunnels. And once you're in your ClickFunnels, you're gonna go onto your site overview, just like I showed you. And then here on site settings, and then you're gonna copy and paste the code right here. I already have a code right here because this is a kind of running account, so it's already in here, but you're just gonna paste it in there to the Facebook Access token. So once it's done, you're just gonna scroll down here, click finish, and then you're done with this. Click continue here, and then you're just gonna end up on this page right here, which is the pixel page. On this pixel page, you're gonna copy this kind of ID with the, I don't know, kind of 20 numbers or whatever this is. Take it, go to ClickFunnels and paste it into the Facebook Pixel ID, and then you're done. Now you have your pixel fully installed. Facebook can track your sales and you can start running ads. You have the basic fundament. All right, now going over to the ads setup. So we're gonna go over how to create a campaign, how to create targeting, or what kind of targeting I'm using, how to create your ad copy, and then how to create your creative. So let's go into our ads manager. So we're just gonna go here and then ads manager. And now here we're gonna create a new campaign. So you're just gonna click on this button right here. Then we're gonna click sales because obviously we want to get course sales. We're gonna click continue. And then here I usually just pick manual sales campaign, but you can test both out if you like to. I pick this one, manual sales campaign. Go on to next. So I'm gonna name this campaign V1 and then course XYZ. So once that's down, you're just gonna click on next. You don't need to do anything here. So this first ad set, I usually have the courses set towards one gender, so it's male or female. So if you create a course, make it male or female because both genders have different motivators. I talk about this more in the done for you funnels, and people do get different funnels for different genders because they both have different motivators. Like the male audience is more motivated toward status and the female audience is more motivated to take action towards security. So this just stems from like the evolutionary aspects. Because that's how we survive and reproduce. So men reproduce by having more status and women by having more security. So in this case, like I think most of you are going to be launching like a man offer or male offer. So that's why we take men and then men US, so United States. You can also just launch ads in the top 5 countries, but so like United States, UK, New Zealand, Australia, Canada. But I just do US for now for testing, and then 18 to 65 plus open. So no targeting, just that for now. So here, if you have this error right here, then that means that we haven't added the pixel to the business manager. So we're just gonna go on to the business manager real quick. And in the business manager, we're gonna go to data sources and data sets again, and then click on assign people. So you're just gonna assign yourself to be the owner of the pixel, which makes 0 sense for me, by the way, on Facebook. But anyway, you just have to assign yourself, and then you have to assign the ad account, which is demo1, and then that's done. So now we can just go back, refresh real quick, and then you will see the pixel in that ad set. So now that we have our demo pixel, we're gonna pick the conversion event, which is purchase. So this is the conversion that we want to get. We want to get sales, we want to get purchases. So that's it. All right, so now we're gonna scroll down to the budget and schedule. So you can launch your ads with as little as $5. So this is like the minimum that I would recommend. But to be honest, like if you don't want to get like one sale every 4 days or something, then I would recommend like getting like $25 because usually it takes about $25 to get a sale, and then you get about $60 to $70 back, like people going through your upsell path and stuff and like buying your products. So yeah, so this will get you about one sale if you do it correctly and if you have high performing ads. So yeah, so I would at least do $25 to get some momentum in. And obviously, like me, to be honest, like right now I'm at this point where I just like launch ads with like $250. So I just like add a 0, but yeah, I would in the beginning maybe start with 25, 50 or $75 per day. And you can always turn those ads off. So like even if you just spent, I don't know, $20 on a $75 per day ad, you can always turn it off if you want to. So scrolling down, don't need to do anything. You just need to go here and switch to original audience options. So Facebook will give you this kind of like disclaimer here, like, oh, it's going to be lower cost per result, whatever. I don't really use the Advantage Plus audience because I don't have good experience with them. So I use the original audiences because you just have way more kind of say in where the audience, where the ad gets actually delivered. So locations, I would do the US, just like we already talked about. So United States right here, age 16 to 65, which is fine. Then men, and then here you can also do interest based on your course. So for example, when I'm launching like a BizUp or a money making offer, I'll most likely do like affiliate marketing. So like I take this and then take suggestions from it. So I would just put in like 10 things or something, like passive income, like MLM is a great one, like small business maybe. Yeah, maybe something like entrepreneurship, like this kind of stuff, digital marketing. Like I just put like 10 interests in, so the audience is like fairly big. but also you can just launch it without it. Like Facebook will do its thing and will optimize your ads. So this is something you may or may not test. Then languages, I'll just do all languages, to be honest. Placement, just keep it all placement, and that's fine. So now your ads will just get delivered to US men. And obviously if you have an offer for women, then do women, men, men. And you can also test like all, like just run it broad completely. To be honest, like Facebook changes stuff every day, so you can just like test new stuff every day, but this is what works right now in this current moment, so you can test it out. So in the ads, I'm gonna name this ad A1, C1, which basically means ad copy 1 and creative 1. So we're gonna have 3 of those ads. So we're gonna have 3 ads in one ad set that will kind of run against each other, and then Facebook is gonna see which one is the best. So here we're just gonna pick our Facebook page and Instagram account, and then we can upload a creative and an ad copies. So now here for this part, so this is one of the most important parts, I'm gonna switch over to my actual running account to show you how my ad copy looks like, to show you how I structured it, and give you a quick analysis of how you can do the same for yourself. Alright, so now we are in my other ad account, which is actually actively running ads. So this is just one of the ads that I'm running. So as you can see, we are in an ad set right now, and we have 3 ads right here. So when we click on edit, and by the way, this ad made about 1K in profit in just a single day. So I'm going to show you how that looks like inside an ad that makes 1K profit per day. So just to be congruent, I'm just going to show you the ads that you might already know, because it's the ads for this course right here. So this is how it looks like. So we have our website URL, which is basically the landing page URL to our product, so which you already know about. And then we uploaded our media, and then we have our ad copy. So first I'm going to show you how I made the media. So as you can see, this is how the video looks like. I'm just going to mute the sound right here. So I built this AI product in 24 hours, made me over this much. And this is how you can do it too. So this media right here, like this video, is completely faceless. Like I didn't make this video. This is like not me sitting in a video. So where I got this video from is that's called Socialstocks. So that's a platform right here, which you can use if we go right here to get like faceless kind of videos, as you can see right here. So these are all faceless videos that you can use for like different niches, for like health, wellness, fitness. They're all faceless. They're all videos that you can use for your ads and that perform really, really great. So this is how I got the video. The text from the video is based on the ad copy. So our ad copy actually has a pretty simple structure. I always use the same structure for any niche, any market, because it's always very similar. So let's close this out. So we have, first of all, the first 3 lines are about the challenge. So are about the transformation they're gonna get. So the 24-hour challenge is back. I will launch a highly profitable digital product in the next 24 hours, and you can copy and paste it for yourself. So if you have something different, is you can do like the 24-hour challenge is back. I will go from being skinny fat to being shredded in just in the next 10 days, just by doing 10 minutes of abs workout per day. I don't know, something like that. And you can do this by yourself too. So you'll just position the transformation that they're gonna get right here. Then you're gonna take off the limitations. So this is basically like a mini landing page. You can picture this as a mini landing page in an ad format. So we have the headline right here. Then we have the limitations, so you can do this without having any tech skills, prior experience, and best of all, when working 20 to 30 minutes per day. So take off the limitations, and then we go into the mechanism. So the unique mechanism is I built a course using AI, I ran some cheap ads and started selling 80 to 100 courses per day, all 100% on autopilot. And you can do it too. So basically, I explain the mechanism right here, say what it does, and say that they can do it too. And that's how I go into the call to action. Like right now, I'm launching a 24-hour challenge, 10-day challenge. You can do whatever you want, but a challenge where you can do this for yourself, where you can copy and paste this process, where you can do this by yourself, and so on and so forth. And then just click learn more below to save a spot for yourself. So I have this ad copy, and basically from this ad copy I made this creative text, which is I built this digital product in 24 hours using AI. It made me over 300K in the last 5 months. So this is something that I actually done. But if you have like no results, you can just put in transformation. Like you will go from, or I will go from 0 for XYZ to situation XYZ, and you can do it too. This is how. So this is what you put in the ad creative. And usually, so if you have like your ad set right here, so like I said, you gotta have like at least, you gotta have 3 pieces of ads right here. So as you can see right here, this is my first ad. Then I have A1C2, which is the same ad copy, but a different creative. As you can see here, the guy is sitting differently and the text is kind of different. And then I have A2C1, so it's the first creative, but a different ad copy that I was testing. So you should just have like 3 different ads in here that you can test out to let Facebook kind of pick the winner. So this is what I found from experience, that having 3 ads just performs the best. And this is it, guys. Like super easy. Like I use the Social Stocks platform, and there's like a platform, it's called Forfolk. That's what it's called. Male entrepreneur, which you can also use, like these kind of videos, which are more towards the male audience, obviously, which you can also use for yourself to create your ads. Alright guys, now you have your ads set up, you have your funnel, and you can launch it and make your first 20 validation sales. And once that's done, you can build out your course just like I showed you in one of the previous videos on how to build out your course. So if you want to make this progress even easier or faster, then consider taking on our other products, which will help you immensely, because we really put a lot of effort into that to make this challenge as fast as possible and as condensed as possible. But we also have additional products, obviously, that go more into detail and really help you on advance on a different level and take on our experience that we already have with running this, that you can use for yourself. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you then.